Let's take a quick journey through how people used to think about matter and heat. Before atomic theory, the early ideas. Long before atoms, the ancient Greeks had some creative theories about what made up the world. Philosophers like Empedocles and Aristotle believed everything was made of four elements: earth, water, air, and fire. They thought mixing these elements explained changes in the physical world. No atoms, just a balance of elements to make sense of hot, cold, solid, and liquid. Atomic theory changes the game. Then, in the 5th century BCE, Democritus proposed something radical: the idea of atoms, tiny, indivisible particles making up everything around us. But this idea was more philosophy than science and didn't catch on until the 19th century, when John Dalton brought atomic theory back into the spotlight. Dalton's theory was a game changer. He showed that matter is made of atoms, which combine in simple ratios to form compounds. Suddenly, elements weren't fire or water anymore, they were made of building blocks called atoms. Heat gets a makeover. Before atoms, people believed in the caloric theory that heat was an invisible fluid flowing from hot objects to cold ones. The more heat, the more caloric fluid an object had. Simple, right? But as atomic theory developed, scientists like James Clerk, Maxwell and Ludwig Boltzmann figured out that heat is actually related to the movement of atoms or molecules. When something gets hot, its atoms move faster. So, heat wasn't about fluid, it was about energy and motion. Summary. In a nutshell, early ideas: matter is made of elements like fire and water. Atomic theory: matter is made of atoms, and heat is the result of their motion. Pretty amazing how much our understanding has evolved, right?